Hey darlings, so I am back with another tutorial. Very quick. I'm gonna do the iEnvy Edge Fit lashes. These are half lashes. They do not go all the way to the inner corner of your eye. They're very simple to put on. I'm gonna show you how to put these on for those of you who have issues with poking on the inside of the eye. These are gonna be a lifesaver. Fun fact, Marilyn Monroe used to wear half lashes. Don't quote me, you can actually Google that. So I'm getting ready to go out. We're gonna make this nice and quick. All right, here we go. Once you've cut your edges, as usual, place the tweezers right in the middle. I like to use the middle part with an extra mirror. You're going to look down into the mirror. Lay these right in the middle. Make sure you get the corners nicely attached, and I love the squeezing method. Just secures my lashes, and voila, look how beautiful. You get that cat eye look, effortlessly easy. And then 1 2 3, doesn't take that long. We're gonna do the next eye. Again, look down in your mirror. Place it right in the middle where you put that glue. Make sure the edges are connected, because those are important so that they don't lift, and pinch. Literally magic. Look how beautiful. And just adjust as you go. And just like that, we are all done. I am headed out the door. Quick tutorial for you guys. Please pick up. These things are amazing. I love the half lashes. I will link them in the description box below. Bye guys, thanks for watching.